Exciting news is coming out about Huawei's upcoming Mate 70 series. The rumors are heating up, and if you're a Huawei fan, December might be the month for you. Today, let's dive into all the latest leaks and insights surrounding the Huawei Mate 70 launch, from possible launch dates to expected specs and standout features. First off, Huawei has been keeping the launch date of the Mate 70 series a mystery, but leaks now suggest it's not far off. According to a source from Fixed Focus, the Mate 70 models are expected to go on sale in early December. Although we don't have an exact date, the sale could kick off as soon as the first week of December. Speculation is swirling that Huawei might tease the Mate 70 on November 19th, followed by an official launch event on the 26th. If this timeline holds up, sales could start around December 3rd. However, Huawei hasn't confirmed these details yet, so we're still waiting for an official announcement to pin down the exact dates. Here's something interesting. Reports from September hinted that some Huawei stores started accepting Mate 70 pre-orders. However, this didn't roll out everywhere. It seems only select stores, probably in larger cities like Beijing, were given the green light to take early reservations. This could mean that Huawei is preparing to launch in high-demand areas first, or perhaps testing interest before the official sale. So what can we expect for the Mate 70 series? Huawei's Mate lineup has always pushed the envelope, and this one sounds no different. Leaks suggest that the Mate 70 and Mate 70 Pro are going to bring some exciting features, especially in tech and design. One of the big features anticipated is a new Kirin chipset. Huawei's in-house processors have always been a standout, and if a new Kirin chip powers the Mate 70 series, we could see significant performance improvements. Another rumored feature is a dual-layer LED display, which could offer a stunning visual experience with enhanced brightness and deeper color contrast. For anyone who loves watching video on their phone, this will be a huge plus. It sounds like Huawei might also be enhancing the in-display fingerprint sensor, making it faster and even more secure. The Mate 70 models are expected to pack a high-density battery aimed at better power efficiency and longer battery life. Huawei is known for strong battery performance, and this series is no exception. On the design side, expect some unique color choices. Huawei has always impressed with its color palettes, and the Mate 70 could offer fresh, bold options to stand out. On the software front, the Mate 70 series will come with HarmonyOS Next, Huawei's latest OS upgrade. HarmonyOS Next promises smoother performance, improved multitasking, and greater customization options. Additionally, Huawei is reportedly incorporating advanced AI features that will enhance the camera and overall user experience. With AI on board, you can expect smarter photography tools, improved power management, and potentially even better security features. This new series could also pose strong competition in the Chinese smartphone market. Huawei has held a strong position domestically, and the combination of these new features makes the Mate 70 a serious contender against other high-end smartphones in the region. With its blend of innovation and design, it's clear that Huawei aims to deliver something special with the Mate 70. So, will Huawei officially confirm these rumors soon? We're keeping a close eye on any announcements from Huawei, and we'll update you as soon as we hear more. For now, it seems like the Huawei Mate 70 series might be the must-have smartphone of the season. If the leaks are correct, we're in for a powerful device with advanced features and a sleek new design. If you're excited about the Mate 70 series, let us know in the comments. Are you planning to grab one as soon as it's available? And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our latest updates on this and other upcoming devices. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.